Okay. Oh, I don't know why the light comes on, but that's Snoopy. New Snoopy has a medicine in it. She looks good. This is Ronaldo and Bella. Let's see the batch without medicine. That's Ronaldo. He's packed on some pounds for the winter. And this is Bella. Can we say hi, kids? Nope. We're eating, Mama. We're eating, Mama. Oh, see, I told you. Oh, yummy. That's so yummy. Oh, thanks, Mama. You're just Snoopy. Yummy. Oh, you're such a good girl, Snoopy. Okay, it looks like you have a watery eye, Ronaldo. How come, buddy? You hit it? I don't like that. It's not good. What happened? Sorry, I'm allergic to them. Didn't take my medication today. I'm not liking your eye, Ronaldo. Let's see if we can get... I think maybe you hit something, because the other one's okay. Hmm? Was that yummy, huh? Good wubby tingy on the log. I'm gonna go help Snoopy out. I think she already got her medicine, so I don't think... She's probably gonna get in the bowl. You done? Oh, you can't have that. Okay. That's it. I think they're done.